I'm out here at BALLAHACK Airsoft today, and I'm going to be doing some siege gameplay. We start off down here by the pond, and we're going to make our way through the right side of the field into the town. Our objective is to take over the center of the town.
Tactical slide.
So let's get into the gameplay.
Smoke. Hey, safety. You wanna? Yeah. Oh shit! It's okay. You rolled right onto my tongue. I got like 8 kills there.
I got nowhere to go.
As a first person on an attacking force, you need to always be thinking where you'll be moving next and how you'll be moving there, so not to clog up friendly traffic moving forward on the push, and to keep the momentum going on the friendly forces moving into the AO.
Reloading.
Yo, you're hit, kid. Call it. Thank you.
Hey!
Right there, right there, right
Hey,
there.
Ford!
Right there.
You got hit, Ford. You got hit, Ford.
I got you. I got you. I got you. Come here. Come here. Yeah, no, sure, scoot back. Oh, thank you. Ow, where's my goggle?
Oh shit. Watch your left, I'm reloading.
Ian, heal me.
I'll heal you. No, wait, I'm not a medic.
No.
I'll get on the other side of this.
Tell me when. Someone do a medic, please. I love you so much. Am I just being covered? I need a medic. He's a medic, Jake. Who's the medic? The guy behind me healing me. Okay, let's put my... Touch my foot, touch my foot. Where are they?
4 o'clock.
At this point, we're trying to regroup the friendly forces at this barricade to make a strong push towards the right side of the town. Let's get back into the gameplay.
My knee's bad. Ian, you're hurt. Ian, I'm not trying to get you. Connor, we got him moving down the path as well.
Oh, he's hit, he's hit.
Hey, where are they at? Where are they at?
Right behind the long log.
Got him. Hey! Behind those logs! Behind those logs!
I'm moving.
The best thing to do when you do not have a lot of cover to move to is to get down low behind the thickest bit of brush that you can and hope for the best.
Concealment!
After a good push, you need to make sure to check your left and right to see how many friendly forces that made it to your position, or that how many friendly forces you have left to make a continuing push.
Woodlands!
Hey, Ian.
Then hold it! I'm not going to get it!
penguin! I got it. No.
Ford, take that.
Jake, really?
It's empty.
I don't care. Hold it.
Even if you're not a medic, it's always a good idea to move friendly forces that are wounded out of a direct line of fire, so then a medic has an easier time to medicate.
Oh, I'm so cold now. What is on me? Is that magazines?
Yeah. They're both empty. Give me.
No, nigga, they're both full.
They weren't.
I guess you fuck them.
No, I have more mags.
Why'd you ask for 9 then?
Because I want more. These 2 mags are hard to.
Yeah, he's hit in front of us, friendly. They're on the left side.
Here, trade me. Hey, snowman, up there! Down here, down here! Snowman!
Moving up, move up, move up, move up. Right, left side, left side. Forward, move to me. Let's go across the bridge.
I know what I said is we need to move. Hit! Oh! Jake, just get out of the way here. We're already dead! No! We're already dead!
Yeah, is that 30?
No, that's not 30 feet.
Medic! I'm coming. I'm a medic, so if you hit me, I got these guys. I'll get to you in a sec.
I come inside. We need to go up and over.
Hey guys!
Come here.
Not shooting you, Jake.
No!
Oh, I'm hit.
Medic!
Medic! We got plenty down here. We need medic.
Ian, are you dead? Yeah. Medic! Hey, I'm a medic. Get me. I'm a medic as well.
How good is that?
Nope, hit.
We're all dead.
We're all dead.